In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dark cloud cover bearish quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through exactly how to add the dark cloud cover bearish indicator to your Tradingview chart step by step so you can start spotting this bearish reversal pattern quickly and confidently. Even if you're brand new to Tradingview, follow along and you'll be set up in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged in and you have any chart open. It can be a crypto pair, a stock, forex, whatever you're trading. Once your chart is on the screen, move your mouse to the top of the page and look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where all of Tradingview's built-in tools live. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word dark. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern, just dark is enough. Tradingview will automatically start filtering the indicator list as you type, showing you anything that matches. In the results that appear below, look for dark cloud cover bearish. This is the specific candlestick pattern script we want to add. Once you see it in the list, simply click on the name. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see visual markers or highlights wherever the dark cloud cover bearish pattern appears in your price data. If it doesn't show up right away, try zooming out or scrolling back a bit in your chart history. Sometimes the pattern hasn't formed in the most recent candles, but you'll spot it on earlier price action. You can also adjust your time frame. For example, switching between the 15-minute, 1 hour, or daily chart to see where the indicator triggers. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top left of the chart to access its settings. This lets you customize things like colors or visibility so it fits your personal chart layout and is easy on your eyes. If you want more chart features, more indicators per layout, and extra tools that help you trade more efficiently, check out the Tradingview Pro link in the description. It's my affiliate link, and using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the dark cloud cover bearish indicator to your Tradingview chart and you're ready to start using it in your analysis.